What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite channel, Crypto Mystro. Today's video is going to be very exciting and informative because we're going to discuss a very important topic. What exactly is Web3, and we'll discuss everything you need to know about decentralized future of the internet. So make sure you don't miss any part of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, please note that this video does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move has a risk, and investors should do their own research before making a choice. So without wasting any time, let's start. The web we know today is very different from what it was 10 years ago. How has the internet evolved, and more importantly, where will it go next? Also, why does any of this matter? If history has taught us anything, it is that these changes will have a significant impact. The web has changed dramatically over the years, and its applications are almost unrecognizable from its earliest days. The web has progressed through three distinct stages: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. Web 1.0 was the first version of the internet. Most of the people who took part were content consumers, and most of the people who made content were developers who made websites that mostly served text or image-based information. Most of us have mostly encountered the web in its current form, also known as Web 2. Consider Web 2.0 to be the interactive and social web. You don't have to be a developer to participate in the creation process in the Web 2.0 world. Many apps are designed to make it simple for anyone to become a creator. You can create a thought and share it with the rest of the world. You can also upload a video and allow millions of people to watch it, interact with it, and comment on it. Web 2.0 is really simple, and because of that, more and more people around the world are becoming creators. The web is excellent in many ways, but there are some areas where we can do much better. There are significant differences between Web 2 and Web 3.0, but decentralization is at the heart of both. Web 3.0 is the next generation of the internet, focusing on shifting power away from large tech corporations and towards individual users. Web 3 can be thought of as the internet's read, write, and own phase. Users can participate in the governance and operation of the protocols themselves rather than simply using free tech platforms in exchange for their data. It means that people, not just customers or products, can become participants and shareholders. Tokens or cryptocurrencies are used in Web 3.0 to represent ownership of decentralized networks known as blockchains. You can control the web if you have enough of these tokens. Governance token holders can, for example, use their money to vote on the future of a decentralized lending protocol. Most importantly, what happens on the decentralized internet is decided by the investors. Twitter, Facebook, Google, and a few other companies control what happens on the mainnet. Web 3.0 developers rarely make and release apps that run on a single server or store their data in a single database. Web 3.0 applications, on the other hand, run on blockchains, decentralized networks of many peer-to-peer nodes or servers, or a hybrid of the two that forms a crypto-economic protocol. These apps are decentralized, a term that is frequently used in the Web 3 space. So we can say that Web 3.0 is a crypto thing. When you hear about Web 3.0, you'll notice that cryptocurrency is frequently mentioned. This is due to the fact that cryptocurrency plays an important role in many of these protocols. It gives financial incentives or tokens to anyone who wants to start a project, run it, contribute to it, or make it better. These protocols frequently provide a wide range of services, including compute, storage, bandwidth, identity, hosting, and other web services previously provided by cloud providers. Participants in the protocol at various technical and non-technical levels can earn a living. Consumers of the service typically pay to use the protocol in the same way that they would pay a cloud provider such as AWS today, except in Web 3, money is distributed directly to network participants. This, like many other forms of decentralization, eliminates unnecessary and often inefficient intermediaries. Many web infrastructure protocols such as Filecoin, Livepeer, Arweave, and The Graph have utility tokens that govern how the protocol operates. These tokens also reward network participants at various levels. This is how native blockchain protocols like Ethereum work. So what can you do on Web 3.0? Web 3 enables the proliferation of cooperative governance structures for previously centralized products. A meme, a piece of art, a person's social media output, or tickets to Gary Vee's conferences can all be tokenized. The gaming industry is a great example of a paradigm shift. Gamers are constantly complaining about the bugs that developers leave in their favorite video games, or how the latest patch has thrown off the balance of their favorite weapon. With Web 3, players can invest in the game and vote on how it's run. Large Web 2 companies such as Meta and Ubisoft are developing virtual worlds that are partially powered by Web 3. Non-fungible tokens, NFT, will also change the gaming industry in a big big way because they let players become the permanent owners of the items they collect. Web3 is all about new ways of building companies. The idea of tokenization and the creation of a token economy are also based on tokens. Consider the current state of establishing a software company. Someone has an idea, but they need money to support themselves before they can start building. To obtain the funds, they raise venture capital and give away a portion of the company. This investment creates misaligned incentives right away, which won't help in the long run to create the best user experience. Also, suppose the company is successful. In that case, it'll take a long time for anyone involved to realize any value, which can result in years of work with no real return on investment. Instead, imagine announcing a new and exciting project that solves a real problem. From the start, anyone can contribute to its construction or invest in it. The company says it will release X number of tokens, gives 10% to early builders and 10% to the general public, and saves the rest for future payments from contributors and project funding. Stakeholders can use the tokens to vote on changes to the project's future, and those who contributed to its development can sell some of their holdings to profit after the tokens are released. People who believe in the project can buy and hold ownership, while those who believe the project is heading in the wrong direction can sell their stake. Purchasers have complete transparency over what is happening because blockchain data is entirely public and open. In contrast to investing in private or centralized businesses, many things are often kept under the wraps. This is already taking place in the Web3 space. Radical is a decentralized alternative to GitHub that lets project stakeholders take part in governing the project. Gitcoin is another cryptocurrency that allows developers to be compensated in cryptocurrency for participating in and working on open source issues. Yearn allows stakeholders to participate in decision-making and proposal voting. Uniswap, SuperRare, The Graph, Audius, and many other protocols and projects have all used tokens to make ownership, participation, and governance possible. Companies will no longer have control over user data because intermediaries are no longer involved in Web 3.0. This reduces the likelihood of government or corporate censorship as well as the effectiveness of denial of service attacks made possible by Web 3.0. Finally, most importantly, this is not an advisory video about crypto sales or purchases. It is only an information video about what Web 3.0 is and how it works. Before going into the crypto world or making any transaction, please do your own research and don't follow anything blindly. That was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Moreover, if you're new and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any useful and informative daily video. Thank you for your time and best wishes.